Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver now trading at a level of $29.58. Okay, and chances are very high that if the price sustain this level, see, there is a clear indication that US tariff is not what we have seen. It will benefit gold and silver. They have made a good high. Okay, like silver has made around $35 high. Okay, and around 34.6, this is the high we have seen, and after that there is a sharp fall. Okay, in the last week, because the tariff profit booking has come at this level and the tariff has not gave so much of volatility compared to what we have seen. Okay, now the price has moved below a level of $30. Okay, similarly if you see, the gold price also made a sharp fall. Okay, and now if the price, see, if you look at this particular trend, there is a U pattern is formed. So if the price now goes above a level of 32.6, then only we can see there will be an upside movement. Okay, and if the price started going above that level, we can see it will cross a level of $34.7, and once the price moving above this level, a further upside movement we can see. But if it started going below a level of around 29.8, there was a chance that we can see a further fall. See, it has already fallen below that particular level. Now probability is high it will cross a level of 28.7. Okay, and this level is already weak, so probability of moving further down we can see, and it can go towards a level of 27.8, and from there it can move towards $26.3. Okay, now there is a higher chances of going further low. Okay, and like if you look at this trend, there is a probability that if it started falling below 28.7, chances of going towards 27.68, and from there a level of around 26.4. Okay, and if it started going up this particular level for this resistance of 30.2, and if started going up 30.2, we can see a level of 32.2. These are the two resistance. So if it sustain this level, we can see a level of 32.2, and if sustain that level, a further upside. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. Index plays an important role. Okay, so when the price was moving around 104.5, I have clearly explained you the chances are very high that it can go further down. I'll explain you on the basis of weekly chart. See, there is a clear indication I have told you, because the pattern was forming. This particular pattern was there, opposite U pattern was there, which was indicating a downtrend. Okay, so level at a level of 103.8, there is a downtrend side, and chances are high it will come down. It came down towards a level of 101.2. Okay, and after that 101.2, it form a swing, now sustaining above $102.8. So if the price sustain above this level, we can see the next level at 103.5 to a level of 103.6, and from there it will move towards $104.3. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, chances of going above a level of 104.7 will be there, and then a further upside movement we can see towards $105.3. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can 06, and then there will be a zone above a level of 106.4, and from there a further upside we can see towards 107.3. After 106.5 we can see a level of 107.3, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see. And if the price moving above this level, a probability of touching 108 we can see, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards 108.5, and then further high. But if the price started falling below that particular level, chances are high towards a level of 101.9, and from there a level of 101.2, and if the price started falling below this level, we can see a level of 100.2. This is the trend, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see it will fall below a level of $99.5, and this is already weak, so we can see a further fall. So when I'm telling you that the price of dollar index started going down, we see the price of silver goes up. Okay, similarly gold goes up, and crude and natural gas. Why I'm telling you this? Because they are inversely related with each other. Okay, and when the price of dollar index started going down, we will see all the silver, gold, crude and natural gas goes down. Okay, but see, market is uncertain. They are inversely related, but sometimes what we have seen, they both moves in same direction. Okay, so reduce these uncertainty. So whenever you start to trade, put your SL. First thing you should be doing. Okay, because market is uncertain, and once you in profit, try to trail the profit, trail the SL, so your profit will. Silver price, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, it can touch a level of $29.15. Okay, and this is already weak, so chances are high it will cross a level of 28.7. so the price will fall below this level and will fall below a level of 28.7, and from there it will move further down towards a level of 28.5, and after that it will fall below a level of 27.7. Okay, after 28.5 it will fall below a level of 27.7, and then a further fall we can see towards $27.13. Okay, and once started falling below that particular level, we will see the price will fall towards $26.5, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see towards 26, and if the price going below this level, a further fall we can see. This is the zone we have seen, so we can see a bounce back can come, or it will move in this zone. Okay, and if the price started falling below this particular level, chances are high it will touch a level of 27.3 to a level of 26.4. so a bounce back we can see from a level of around $27, $26.3, and a level of 29. Okay, so again I repeat, if the price started falling below this level, we can see a bounce back from 28.8 to a level of 27, and from a level of around 26.1. these are the three levels where we can see a bounce back, but if that didn't sustain, a further fall will be there. Okay, and if it started going below a level of 28.7, I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you